Hello, Tectosa, Mary Grace here. I'm going to show you how to download a QR code reader on your student laptops. And these QR code readers will allow you to open up any site that the QR code will lead you to. So first thing we're going to do is open the Microsoft Store. And once you open it, you're going to go under search and we're going to type in QR code. Okay, and then right here you'll see QR code for Windows 10. This is the one that we want. I do have to tell you that once we download this and add it to your computer, the only downfall to this QR reader is that it does pop up ads. So just to let you know that that's going to happen. So we're going to click on Get, and they're going to ask you to sign in. It doesn't pop up on mine, but it will ask you to sign in to Microsoft, and you can just say no thank you. And then you'll see it download. Okay, once it's done, you're going to click on Launch. And it's going to say let QR code for Windows access your camera. Click on Yes. So in order to make it easy for your students to access the QR reader, you want to pin it to your taskbar, which is down here. So what you're going to do is you're going to right click and you're going to click on Pin to Taskbar, so that every time they open their computer, they'll see it down here and they'll just click on that. So once you have it open, the camera will automatically turn on, and then you might have a QR reader like this. It'll read the QR as long as it's close enough, and it'll open up the read along so the students can listen to the story. Okay, once you've used the QR reader, you'll notice that the camera will remain on and you will start to see ads. So what we suggest is that you click on stop, and also you might want to minimize it a little bit so that you only see half the ads, and just instruct the students to close it immediately. Some students or some teachers have little flaps over their cameras, so you can just use a little index card and flap it over so they can, lift it up, use it, and then automatically close. But if you want to use it again, you click on Show, and if it's minimized like this and it's sized pretty small, then you can actually use it and you'll see half the ads, if you notice what I mean. I hope that makes sense, but let us know if you need any help. You can contact any of your Tectosas. Thank you. Have a good day.